look at some work examples. We have root x minus root x minus 2 minus 1 equals 0. I will handle this like when I'm handling theory questions and multiple choice questions. Now let's handle it like, when we need to show our workings. What will I do? I first of all bring this one outside here and leave this one here. So I'm going to have root x minus 1 equals root x minus 2. Bringing this one here. Now the next thing will be I will square both sides. So what does that give me? It's going to give me x plus 1 minus 2 root x. Squaring this place is going to give me x minus 2. You can see, it's going to give me x minus 2. Now subtract x from both sides. This one cancels out. Let me bring this one to this side. I'm going to have minus 2 root x is going to give me minus 3. Next thing will be, let me divide both sides by minus 2. I'm going to have root x equals 3 over 2. So what will be the value of x for me now? X will be equal to square of 9 over 4. X will be equal to square of 3 over 2, which is 9 over 4. That is if I'm asked to work it out. Now let's assume I made this as a multiple choice question. I will not need to start writing all this. What I just do is, I've seen the question. The next is straight. Root x minus 1 equals root x minus 2. Within myself, I just tell myself, square both sides, x plus 1 minus 2 root x will be equal to x minus 2. So, cut. So, minus 2 root x equals minus 3. So, root x equals 3 over 2. X equals 9 over 4. Simple. You can see. Less than a minute. Less than 40 seconds. You get the answer. So just know, these are the things we teach in our class. These are the things we teach in our classes. So you can tell your friends to join our class. The handles. You will find the channel to join us in the description below the lecture. So these are the things we teach. The difference in answering theory question and the multiple choice question. So you can connect, you can join us or make inquiry through the channels in the description below. Let's look at another question. Now look at this. 6 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4 minus 3 root 6. How do you go about this? If it is multiple choice question, you don't need to waste any time. Just multiply straight by the conjugate of the denominator. 4 plus 3 root 6. 4 plus 3 root 6. Straight. And what happens next? Just take it one after the other. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 3 root 6. 18 root 6. 2 root 5 times 4. That's 8 root 5. 2 root 5 times 3 root 6. That is 6 root 30. 6 root 30. conjugates. So this is going to be 16. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 6, 54. So you can see, we have worked it out straight. We have 24 plus 18 root 6 plus 8 root 5 plus 6 root 30 6 root 30 divided by, what does this give me? 8 minus 38. Minus 38. So I can still divide through by 2. That is minus into 12 plus 9 root 6 plus 4 root 5 plus 3 root 30 divided by 19. So you can see, straight, you get your answer. And I will also advise you, when you are going for multiple choice questions, work with pencil. Don't use pen. Work with pencil. Do your workings with pencil. Sharpen your pencil, work with pencil. Sharpen your pencil, work with pencil. Nobody is looking at how neat or how rough your workings are. Please. That is it. Now let's look at it. If I want to use, if this question comes in a theory, where I have to write out everything, that the teacher will have to look at the steps. Let's see how it goes. Now let's look at it, how we handle it. If it's normal theory question, I first of all write it out. 6 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4 minus 3 root 6. And then I write out, multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of denominator. That is, and what is the conjugate of denominator? 4 plus 3 root 6. From there, I just show out my workings. 6 plus 2 root 5 into 4 plus 3 root 6 divided by 4 minus 3 root 6 into 4 plus 3 root 6. You can see, once you get to this place, you just pick it one after the other. So you can say 6 into 4 plus 3 root 6. Depending on the time available at your disposal, plus 2 root 5 into 4 plus 3 root 6. We know what this one will be already. You can multiply it out, but everybody will know that these are the conjugates. So you just write 16 minus 54. 16 minus 54. Then I can now say 24. So I can now say 24 root 30. This one is minus 38. So from here you can divide further. You can see, I need to do more explanation to the teacher or anybody that mark my script. But in this case, nobody cares about what step you took. Get it. The most important thing in multiple choice question is speed and accuracy. Speed and accuracy. Once you get that, you have conquered. Now let's quickly look at this. Rationalize the denominator of this given expression. Root of 1 plus a minus root a over root of 1 plus a plus root a. I want to advise, whenever you are practicing like this, make sure you practice with speed. Read the question very fast. Answer the question very fast. Time yourself. Always work as if you are in the examination hall. Always practice like the examination is already taking place. That is part of the hint we give our students. Try to join as soon as possible. Call others, tell others, and those whom you know, even if you are not benefiting, if you are not preparing for exams now, those who are in SS1 or grade 9, 10, 11, 12 can join. We have special place for them to solidify the foundation. Now let's go on with this. If I find this in a multiple choice question, examination, how do I go about it? This is straightforward. What's the conjugate of this? You can see that the conjugate of this is the numerator. So, what do? I can just say root 1 plus a squared plus a squared minus 2 root a root 1 plus a divided by square this one 1 plus a minus a. Once you square this throughout. Looking at this is 1 plus a. Sorry, square of this is a minus 2 root a root 1. 1 plus 2a minus 2 root a root 1 plus a. Simple. So you can see, within 30 seconds, you can finish one question that looks so difficult. So if it were to be in examination where you need to explain your steps, you know that you have to show them, just like we did in the other side, step by step. Multiply, you have to state the steps you take. And from there, you'll be able to score all the marks. Thank you very much. Kindly share, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and inform others about the latest development in STEM Cafe. I assure you that from time to time, we will be dropping lectures like this on our platform, and offline, those who want to join, they will really gain and enjoy the study of